So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick method how you can use to connect your Python to the MySQL. Now we are going to use a module. So just simply open the CMD first and type this command, that is pip install with a space and type MySQL connector Python. Make sure to type as it is and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will start to install that specific. The process will begin for the same, and once you have installed it on your system, all you need to do is to just simply go to the go to your Python file, and you need to type the my import mysql dot connector, and you can easily now connect your mysql files. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.